In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google News sitemap. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So why are we concerned about having a Google News sitemap? Well, if you have a website that is a legitimate news site, if people perform a search for a certain topic, in this case, puppy dogs, if you click on the News tab, you'll get a fresh feed from Google of all of the news articles about puppy dogs. So anything that you have that could be classified as a news article has a chance of showing up here and getting some exposure in the Google News feed, and also has a chance of showing up in the general search results here. So basically the reason you would create a Google News sitemap is to gain more exposure to your content. So from the WordPress dashboard, head on over to the All-in-One SEO menu and click on the Sitemaps link. And this brings us to the general sitemap page. A news sitemap is different from a regular sitemap. A news sitemap only contains news articles. So go ahead up top and click on the News Sitemap tab. Now the hard way to do a news sitemap is every time you create a new news article is to manually update your news sitemap and resubmit it to Google. The easy way is to use our easy and powerful plugin, AIOSEO. Click on this News Sitemap tab, and here you can configure the news sitemap. The first thing you want to be sure of is that the Enable Sitemap toggle switch is in the on position. There's a blue button here that says Open News Sitemap. I'm going to come back to that after we change some of the configuration settings. So below that, we have the publication name. Here you can type in the name of your news publication. I'm making this a fictitious news site called Financial Insider Club. If we want to keep with our puppy theme, we can call it Puppy Daily News. And then you can decide which post types to include, all post types, or just post, or just pages. I'm going to keep it just post because pages on this site is going to be things like contact information and privacy policy and things that are not going to be included in news types. And then below that, we have advanced settings. Most users can leave this alone, but if you click on the toggle switch, and then below that advanced settings toggle, we can see that you can exclude certain posts or pages. So let's say this was my puppy news blog, but I also like technology, and I unfortunately had commingled those two things, and I had articles about tech and articles about puppies. I could type in Apple, say, okay, I've got this article about Apple selling iPhones. I don't want to include that. And I don't want to include this. So you can exclude certain pages and posts from your news sitemap. When you're all done, click the big blue Save Changes button. And if we scroll back up, we can click the Open News Sitemap big blue button and preview the news sitemap. So any posts that you have not excluded from the sitemap in those settings and that have been published within the last 48 hours will show up. So that's it, right? You're done? Well, not exactly. What I've showed you up to this point is how to create an XML news sitemap. But Google doesn't want just anyone submitting articles and calling them news. They want to prevent abuse of their system. So you have to be accepted as a publisher into their program. So if you go to publishercenter.google.com/publications, you can start that process. I'm not going to walk you through the whole thing today, but if you start on the Add Publication button here, and then you can add your publication, which would basically be your news website, and submit it to Google and wait for their approval. But once that step is complete, then any article that you submit that gets picked up by your news sitemap will be automatically indexed by Google and has a good chance of showing up in the news section or even in the regular search area. So that's how to create a Google News sitemap for your website. If you click on this next video right over here, I'll show you how to create a regular HTML sitemap. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All-in-One SEO.